Hi, welcome back. Today we will discuss how to simplify complex problems with chain of thought prompting in ChatGPT. Today we're tackling a problem that many of us face when dealing with complex tasks. How do we make sense of it all? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a tricky question or problem, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify this process using chain of thought prompting? Stick around because the most important point is coming up later in the video. Let's face it, complex problems can be daunting. Whether it's solving a math equation or making a big decision, it often feels like we're drowning in information. You might find yourself asking, where do I even begin? This confusion can lead to frustration and even avoidance of the task altogether. And it gets worse. When we don't know how to approach a problem, we waste time and energy. We might guess and end up with incorrect answers or miss out on opportunities because we didn't think things through properly. Imagine missing out on a job opportunity just because you couldn't articulate your thoughts clearly in an interview. But what if there was a way to tackle these problems more effectively? What if you could break down complex tasks into simple, manageable steps? This is where chain of thought prompting comes into play. It's an innovative method that encourages clear reasoning and logical thinking. Imagine confidently approaching any problem with a structured thought process. You would not only find solutions faster, but also communicate your ideas more effectively. This method empowers you to think critically and articulate your reasoning step by step, leading to better outcomes in both personal and professional life. So how does chain of thought prompting work? Let's break it down into simple steps. Instead of tackling everything at once, break the problem into smaller pieces. Use phrases like, let's think through this step by step to guide your thinking. Write down each step as you reason through the problem. This helps keep your thoughts organized. Finally, combine your reasoning to arrive at the answer confidently. For example, if you want to ask ChatGPT, if John has 10 apples and gives away 4, how many does he have left? Here, to enable Coty, you need to add a sentence in the prompt, let's think through this step by step. So you will notice that the response from ChatGPT will be elaborate like this. John starts with 10 apples. He gives away 4 apples. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. John has 6 apples left? Let's take another example. If you ask ChatGPT, what do I need for my birthday party? Then it will give very vague response without context. Better option is to add another line in the prompt like let's break this down. Now you will notice that ChatGPT will give step-by-step response like first comma I need to decide on a venue. Next I'll create a guest list. Then I'll plan the food and decorations and so on. Now here's the most important point. Using chain of thought prompting not only improves your problem-solving skills, but also boosts your confidence. By practicing this method regularly, you'll become more adept at tackling any challenge that comes your way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into AI and effective thinking strategies. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use chain of thought prompting in your life. Thanks for watching. More to come in the next ones.